Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So I come to you today with a humble little plugin. It is called PBN Link Cleaner, and it is a really simple plugin which is available for sale on my website. And yeah, the single purpose of this site is to clean up PBN sites and to remove links from them which are on posts which are published and older than a specific time, or which were changed before a specific time. So you can set this and the plugin will automatically remove all the links which are external links from the PBN sites where you set up this plugin. So let me show you what it can do. And by default it will use this setting, so you can clean posts older than this number of days, and you can set a number of days. If you go with the basic feature set, if you go with the advanced feature set, you will be able to select posts if they are older or newer than this string, and also if they are older and newer than this string. So you can set that, hey, I want to clean up posts which are older than 1 day ago, but they are newer, so they are newer than 7 days ago. So in this case the plugin will expire posts between 7 and 1 days in age, but you can play with this and you can leave only older. For example, you can set here also 1 second ago to expire every post and check every post that you have on your site and remove external links from them. So you can change what to check. So the plugin can check post modification time or post publication time. So you can set here whatever you need. Also, here will be some advanced post filtering options. Note this will be available only for the advanced feature selection. If you leave this at basic, this will not be visible and not be used. However, if you set this to advanced, you can filter posts by author name, author ID, post IDs, category slug, exclude post category slug, text slug, title, comment status, ping status, ignore sticky, post meta key, enable arrays in post meta keys. So there will be many options and you can filter your post as you wish. Meta taxonomy, post taxonomy value, slug type, status, search keywords. And this is the button which will run the plugin. So keep in mind to save settings before you run the plugin. So now I have set here the plugin to delete links, external links. So from posts, outgoing links from posts which are older than 1 second ago. So all posts from here. I have set here some example posts and let me show them to you. So this is a CodeRevolution link, this is a YouTube link, and this is my local link which will not be deleted because it's local. So this is also Facebook, YouTube, and another local link. I have here 2 posts as an example. So I have set here. Also very important to set the post type to post, just to be sure that the plugin will not process pages and any other parts of WordPress which you don't want it to do. So set the post type to post and go ahead and select the older or newer selection and set here a date, and go ahead. You can also set the domains which you want to remove, or you can exclude domains which you don't want the plugin to remove, even if they are found in posts which are older than the date you set here. So now let's run expiration and let us see what happens. So as you can see, the plugin processed very fast. Now let's refresh and external links are gone. Let's refresh also the other post, external links are gone. Okay, now let me re-add the YouTube link and also re-add a CodeRevolution link here. Okay, and let's update the post. Now let me tell the plugin that, hey, I want you to remove only YouTube.com links. So now let's save settings. If you want to remove multiple domains, you can add on a new line the new domain, but in this case let's leave this only to YouTube. and let me refresh this to show you that it's a YouTube link here. And if we run the plugin again, the YouTube link is gone. Now let me re-add the YouTube link, update, and in this case let's add YouTube to the protected links, so the links that we should keep. So in this case the Facebook link should be removed, and let's refresh this post just to be sure we have the latest, and run, refresh it again, and the Facebook link is removed. Okay, so you can also set the plugin to auto run based on an interval, and what you set here will be automatically applied at every interval. Enable manual post expiration for these post types, and here you will have some additional settings: logging, clear logs automatically after a period, timeout for expiration checking in seconds. This is just to be sure that the plugin will not run indefinitely. Maximum number of posts to process at each run, post paging count, these are advanced settings, and send expiration checking summary to this email address. Notify post authors about their expiration. So this is also possible. If you have ideas for this plugin, let me know. The plugin is linked in this video's description. Keep in mind it will have two feature selections, basic and advanced. If you want to use it only to expire links from posts which are older than a number of days, you can set it to basic and you can enter the number of days here, or you can set it to advanced and you will see that you will have a very wide control of what to expire exactly and what links to remove from your PBN sites. Okay, so this was all for this video. The PBN Link Cleaner plugin is linked in this video description. Go ahead guys and check it. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Bye bye.